welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Comment down below what is going to be your favorite item. So stay tuned all the way to the end because maybe the last thing is your favorite. Comment them. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you. And let's get started with the haul. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you the toys. I got 2 of these wands. Now look at these wands. They barely had put them. They kind of walk him a little bit, and then they have a light. I thought they were gonna have some kind of a jingle, but they don't. It's just called Light Up One, and I got one for Luna, and then one for Layla. They're kind of nice. Now this I liked it because it's like rubber and it's not hard like other ones that you just drop and they kind of shatter. Dollar Tree, yeah. There's that. Then I also got one of these paints from Prang ready to use tempera paint. This is washable, lavable. What's different paint, and it's on the skin color. And I got it because I ran out of my skin color where I do my piggy banks, and I'm gonna give it a try to this one, see how it works. Because I do have another kind, but that's like from Art Minds from Michaels, and I wanted to give that one a try. I also got these little AAA batteries. This was the pack that had the most. There's 6. There's Panasonic, which only has 4 of them, so I got 2 more in that. Then I got these sticker books. Now these sticker books are super cute. I got them like on the cashier, like going to pay. They had another one, but I didn't like the other one. This one says 200 and plus stickers, and this is like unicornish food. It's so cute. Look at that. Look at that food. And the alpacas. I love stickers since I was little. Love them. Not to stick it anywhere, just to have them. And I love that it came in a little book. Now this one is like rainbowish, unicornish, mermaid, doggy, more alpaca, but it's kind of different. And doggies, oopsie, can you see that? There's the unicorn, like fantasy kind of thing. Look at that. It's so cute. It's so cute. And I love like these. I wish they had the books with these kinds of little designs. One, look at that. These are for your glasses. I should have included this in the other video, but anywho, is this Eyeglass Pouch. But I actually got it for my money. For my pop-up shops. I'm gonna include the money in there. It looks like it's leather. It's like faux leather, but I could be wrong. And they had many other little designs. I like this one the best with the food, the donuts. They're kind of like caddish things, like caddish cupcake, donut, popsicle, ice cream cone. Like this right here looks like a cake pop, and then a cookie. Very nice. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna put it over here because I have those in there. Okay, and then I have this one, this racquetball. What do you call it? Paddle ball. Layla also got one with the Minnie Mouse, and I got this one with the Frozen girls for my Luna. Then I'm gonna show you that towards the end because it's messy. I got these ones that were on the Halloween area with the little gnomes. To me, it doesn't look very much Halloweenish. It almost looks like fallish, Thanksgiving-ish, but it is on the Halloween area. It has like no pumpkins or nothing to say that it's Halloween, but I like it because it's kind of settled. And I love gnomes. And then I got the pot holders. They also had the mitten, the glove, but I didn't want a glove. I like this one's better. So I got these from there. Then these are Halloween things. I only saw 2 of these, which I thought I liked it. I'm gonna have a trick-or-treat pop-up event next time, and I thought these were cute to put my items in here. It says Dia de los Muertos, and it's like little calderons, and they're purple. I only saw purple, but I could be wrong. They could have other colors as well. And there's 4 in a pack, so it's nice. Little calderons, and they're plastic. Then I have these little banners or garlands, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. I have 3 of them. Now this one, I'm thinking it says Happy Halloween, and the material of the letters is felt. Oh yeah, look at wee and happy. It's like the other way around, but it's really nice. And like each letter, like this letter has a little spider, the H has a little cat, the W has a little crow. So this one says Happy Halloween. I want this one for my windows on my house. There's the Happy Halloween one. I got all the 3 that they had. And then this one is like boo-ish. I don't know. I'm going to open it so you can see, because they really don't include a picture of it outside. Look at it. It has the little ghost, a little pumpkin, and a little bat. There's the 3 things that you get. And it's pretty. Look at this. It's pretty long. Woo! Does it say how many feet? I don't know. Look at. Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12, 13. Ooh, 13. Really? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, it's 13. What a number. 13 Halloweenish. If you know, you know. There's that. I got Tangled. There's that one. Pretty cute. And I like that the little ghost has a little face. It kind of looks happy. The little pumpkin kind of looks like retro pumpkin. Like, look at the little face. It's cute. And the little bat. And then the last one that they had is this little skeletons. Now, the little skeletons also look kind of cute. And these are just merely skeletons in white and in black. There's no need for me to open it because it's right there. I thought they were adorable. Yes. Okay, there's that. Then I got 2 signs. I didn't want to get any signs this year, but they were really like retro-ish, Halloweenish, all this kind of, so I got it. Here's this one. This one has like some kind of glitter. Hopefully it doesn't fall. It does fall, so yeah. It says trick or treat, and this one kind of moves. But I like the little pumpkins. There was another pumpkin, like a steak pumpkin that looked like this, and it had a mustache. I was very close to get it, but I didn't. Then I got this one that says Beware Haunted House. I got these 2, and they're both like this, but I'm going to be hanging it in my door, or make a wreath, or just put it in the area over there by my outside. I don't know, whoever. Oh look, see, Luna, Layla brought me her racquetball, like the one I showed you from Elsa. Now this is Minnie Mouse, and this is how it looks. It has this water ball, so you can just this, I wanted to do the moon, the crescent moon, what do you call it, wreath that I've been seeing in TikTok. So I got 2 of these wreath forms or wreath rings. This one is on the silver. They also had gold and the original green one that they usually have, but I got 2 of these ones in case I missed one. I can redo it. There's going to be a video on that. With that, then I got the Reindeer Moss. This was the only one, the greenish, that didn't look dead. The other ones actually look dry and dead. And that one didn't. Then I have my flower picks that I'm going to show you. And that is about everything. Then I got 2 of these bags. Now these bags, look, 1, 2. I'm going to put it here. These are called, they're from the Crafter Square Spanish moss. The Spanish moss. So this looks a little bit different than the green one. This is like very dead. I got 2 of those. And then I got these picks for that crescent moon thing. I got that one, which this one, they're calling it foxtail. Now they have other foxtails that are more firm. I got that one. Then I got this one. This is willow. This is more purplish, like magenta kind of color. And this is more pinkish, the same willow. And these are all in the autumn brand. Like you see they have the little leaf and all of them. And these are roses. These are purplish blue and then purplish magenta. I got those for the moon thing wreath that I'm gonna make. And then the last ones are all in here. Layla, bring me yours, Layla, so we can show it. I got 10 of them. I ordered a claw machine from Amazon to have it in my pop-up shops, and then I bought these just to drive people into my spot. So I got 10 of them. They were the only 10 that they had. There's that, and they're called Surprise Blind Ball. Look at that. And there's the little three choices that you could get. You could get a cactus, a unicorn, an owl, a panda, a dino, or a frog. Layla opened one. This is how it looks when you unwrap it from the little plastic. And I think she got the cutest one. And look at that. So cute. She got a little cactus. It almost looks like an eraser. Sunny day. And it has a little thing that you can hang it like a keychain if you wanted to. It's like rubberish, and it's great quality. Super cute for a Zala, for a blind box, for a blind ball item. Super cute. I wish I could open all of them for you, but I wanted for the claw machine. I think the cactus and the panda are super cute. All of them are. So I got 10 of those to put in there. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today for the Dollar Tree. Make sure you went and look at the other one, which had more of the pop-up shop small business essentials of craft fair. So you make sure to go and look at that one, and make sure to stay tuned and click subscribe so you can see how I do that Halloweenish witchy moon wreath from Dollar Tree items. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below what was your favorite item, and if you have bought those little surprise balls. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.